When it comes to affiliate marketing, which means promoting someone else's products to earn commissions, it is very, very important that you choose the right product. A lot of people don't make any kind of money just because they don't choose the right product. When it comes to choosing a product, there are a couple of things that you need to look into before choosing a product. If you're just going to look at the commission, which most people do, then you're going to fail. Okay, so what we're going to talk about in this video is how to choose the right product so you know that this product is going to convert. So we are going to look into a couple of things with a network called Clickbank, because we are talking about promoting digital products. We're not talking about physical products here. So we are going to look into the digital product marketplace, which is Clickbank, and I'm going to show you what to look for so you know that when you choose a product, you're choosing the best product to promote. At the end of the video, I'm going to give you an alternative to Clickbank where you can look for more better in-depth matrix about these products, so you can check into these products to see what's happening, what's the payout, is it trending, is it going up, is it going down, etc. So I'm going to give you an alternative solution to Clickbank, which will help you choose the right product. And once you choose the right product, then it's just the time to actually get quality traffic, targeted traffic, and you're going to see a lot of conversions. So let's dive into this video and let me show you step by step the Clickbank marketplace, and let me show you how to choose the good product. Okay, so you know what Clickbank is. I've already spoke about Clickbank in my previous video. If you don't know what Clickbank is a digital marketplace that has thousands of products. They have started to do physical products as well, but the main focus is digital products. So you can come on to clickbank.com and register a free account. Once you have registered a free account, you just want to go to the Clickbank marketplace, and you're going to see all these categories, and each of these categories have subcategories. So if I just click on health and fitness, you're going to see on the left hand side down here, these are all the subcategories. Okay, so health and fitness includes addiction, beauty, dental health, exercise, men's health, mental health, etc. And you can see the numbers as well, so how many products this subcategory has. So addiction subcategory has 3 products. If you go into the diet and weight loss, it has 69 products. If you go to dietary supplement, it has 180 products. Okay, so you can choose any category or subcategory. Most people choose any of these two. So it could be e-business, e-marketing, which is related to make money, and it could be health and fitness, which is related to weight loss. These two categories works the best, and the reason behind this is because nearly everyone wants to make money, okay? And nearly every second or third person is looking for a way to lose weight or some kind of diet solutions. So that's why these two products converts the best. These two niche, which I would call, converts the best. So you want to choose one of the product from these niches. That would be the best idea to go for, okay? Now, if you're just getting started in affiliate marketing and you have never ever promoted a product online, then it would be best to stick to just one niche. So either it's going to be health and fitness, or it's going to be e-business, e-marketing. So let's just go into e-business, e-marketing for now, because I'm into e-business, e-marketing as well. So you're going to scroll down and you're going to find all these products, okay? Now, the biggest mistake a newcomer makes is he looks at the commission. Okay, so first thing he will do is he will try to look for the commission, how much commission I'm going to get paid. And if he sees that he's going to get paid anywhere above $50 or even $100, he is going to promote that product. Okay, but he doesn't understand that that product could not convert. It could be several reasons. There must be so many reasons why that product might not make you a single penny, basically. Okay, so there's other things that you need to look into, but before we dive into the products, I just want to show you the results sort by. So this is rank high to low. Okay, you could do it rank low to high, you could do average conversions high to low, you could do average conversions, you could do so many stuff. I normally do rank high to low or average conversions high to low. Now, if I do average conversion high to low, this is going to come out with all the high ticket products, the products that's going to pay me commissions above $1,000. Okay, which means you just promote the product, and if you make one sale, you can make up to $1,000 in commissions. Okay, so you can see here, online success coaching pays up to $1,647.75 per sale. It is a recurring, it's a recurring commission business. Okay, not this one. This is going to be a one-time payment, but they probably have an upsell that's going to pay you recurring commissions, and you have to get approved. So basically, you can see here, approval required. So what is this? Online success coaching by 8+ Clickbank platinum seller John Thornhill and Randy Smith helps you use AI to create, launch, and scale a profitable digital product business faster than ever before. If I want to check the sales page out, and let's just see what the sales page is all about. So I can see the fastest and easiest way to launch a high profit product in day with AI, even if you're a complete beginner, get instant access. Okay, so you can promote this product. Now, if you want to promote this product, you just want to basically send him an email and he will approve you. So there's some other products as well, but we're just going to go back for now, and we're going to go to rank high to low because we're interested in low ticket products. Now, the first thing before you try to promote a product is you want to look for this gravity. So just hover your mouse and it will explain what this product is all about. How many top unique affiliates got paid in the last 90 days, basically. Okay. Now, this number should be anything above 20. Okay. If it's below 20, I don't recommend promoting that product. Now, just because it's below 20 does not mean that you can't make money or the conversion is very low. No. There could be several reasons why it's below 20, but we just want to stay on the safe side. The higher the number, that will mean that a lot of people are promoting it, there's a lot of competition, and there's so much money to be made. Okay, so the higher the number, the better. Now, sometimes you can promote a product that has a gravity of 1. Now, 1 means either no one's promoting it, or people are promoting it, but it's not converting. There could be a lot of reasons behind it. But you need to understand that sometimes a gravity 1 will convert better than these high top gravity. And the reason is because there's no competition. So you're the only person promoting that product on the internet. So everyone's watching it and say, hey, I've never seen this before. And they suddenly buy it. Okay, I was promoting one of the products a couple of months ago on Clickbank, okay, related to wealth, and it didn't have a gravity. The gravity was like something like 0.01 or something like that. But guess what? I was generating sales and commissions because there was no competition. Okay, so it's all about testing. Okay, when we say that, look at the gravity, it just basically gives an idea that there's money to be made on this product, because that's why the gravity is high. The gravity high means that a lot of affiliates are promoting it and they're making a lot of good money. That's what it means. The higher the number, that means there's so many affiliates. Okay, so that's why we say look at the gravity. But you have to remember that just because the gravity is low does not mean that there's no money to be made. There could be several reasons for that to happen. Okay, we want to stay on the safe side, so we want to go for a gravity above 20. You could have some gravity. If you go into the weight loss niche, you will see gravity above like 200, 300. Like, it's like crazy. You understand? So you want you want a gravity that is anything above 20. So that's the first thing you want to look for. The second thing you want to look for is the sales page. So you want to go to the sales page, click here, okay, and when you go to the sales page, you're going to see something just like this. Okay, so what we're looking for, first of all, we're looking for a video, because video converts better than normal sales page. And then we're looking for something that has explaining what this product is all about. It has a money back guarantee, it has bullet points, okay, and it has testimonial and results. Okay, so you can see that this product doesn't have anything like that, because their structure is a bit different. They're actually taking more information from the person. So whatever he selects, based on that, they're going to show him the next page. Okay, so in my case, what you do is, if I was a newbie looking at a product for the first time, I would ask myself, would I purchase this product? If the answer is yes, I would probably promote it. Okay, Another thing to understand is most of your traffic will come from mobile devices. So make sure whenever you promote a product, it is mobile friendly. Now, this new interface of Clickbank Marketplace does not show us whether products are mobile friendly or not. So the best way to do this is whenever you're deciding to choose a product, you just want to go here onto the left hand side, mobile friendly, click on this button, and it's going to spill out all the products that's mobile friendly. And I highly recommend you only promote product that's mobile friendly, because if you don't, you're going to lose a lot of traffic and sales, because most of your traffic will be mobile devices. Now, once you have checked the gravity, you have checked the sales page, the third thing you want to check for is the commission. You want to have anything above 20 bucks. Okay, so you can see here this commission is going to pay us $29 in commission, which is great, good. Okay, and you might want to look at the EPC as well. So just hover your mouse and it just tells us that every time you send a click, what can you expect from the overall matrix shows that this EPC is about $2.47. So every person who's driving traffic to this product is seeing the EPC earning per click of $2.47, which is very, very good. Okay, so the commission is $29, EPC is $2.47, which is great. You look at the sales page, and then you want to have a mobile friendly product so you don't lose money. A lot of people get it wrong here. They just start promoting product by looking at everything. They forget that this product that they're promoting is not mobile friendly, and they end up losing money, losing traffic, and they don't generate any sales. And the last but not the least, what you want to do is you want to check the affiliate page. These are the resource tools where you're going to find so many tools and resources to promote the product. You're going to see email swipes, banners, etc. I've already spoke about this in much details in my previous video. Now let me show you the alternative to Clickbank, where you can find more in-depth details about all the products, especially the digital products, and everything about the marketplace, and that is called CB Engine. Okay, if you go to cbengine.com, you will able to get in-depth details about all the products. So you could see a top Clickbank vendors, and it's giving you the gravity. You could see some of the product has a gravity of 156, 159. Then you could find Clickbank products based on new product that just launched, best gains, top gravity, top insiders, reviews, real estate, recurring, etc, etc. And if you're looking for one specific product, then you could come onto the right hand side, select the category down here. So in e-business, e-marketing, leave the subcategory as it is, leave everything as it is, and just click on search, and it's going to go out there and start searching all the products for you, and it's going to find you all these top products. Okay, so you could see here, if you look at this product, it's got average per sale is $5.83. The gravity is 10.57, less than 20. Okay, paid online writing jobs, it's paying average per sale is about $201. With the upsells, that includes the upsells as well, the gravity is 20. Okay, so you could see here, you could find a lot of good products, and sometimes you can find some specific great products to promote, which is completely unique, high converting products on CB Engine, which you might not find on Clickbank. Remember that. Okay, that's a very, very important to understand. So that's why I highly recommend you do come to CB Engine and check this out. So play around with it, check out these links, click on each link, click on each product, get familiar with this tool, because in my opinion it's one of the best tools out there to check in-depth details about Clickbank products, what to see, what the gravity is, what's the refund rate, etc. So let me just show you. Let me just click on this product here, and when I click on this product, it's giving me a couple of information here. So you can see the marketplace rating, it's giving me the gravity, it's giving me the average per sale, and then it tells me the payout as well. Okay, so you can see here the payout, the graph according to the payout. You could see all that. If I come down, you could see here average percent per sale. You could see here, so you could see it's a steady stream down here. Down here you could see it's a bit trending down, then it goes back up and everything. Okay, so you could see the gravity as well was doing very, very good top, then it start going downwards here to the gravity, and then it starts being a bit more stable here. So then you could see here what information you can get from this one website, okay, that you might not find on Clickbank. Okay, so it's very, very important to understand that if you want to get in-depth details about a product or anything, just come to CB Engine, and also make sure you do your intelligent research in finding a product before promoting it, because this will help you generate those sales easily, the smarter way and not the hard way.